The AI object removal in Filmora 13.6.4 is impressive, but I'm even more impressed with this new Smart Search feature, especially if you have to deal with a large number of videos. Let me show you what I mean. This new feature called Smart Search will be the one that will save you a ton of time. Now there will be other features that I will cover in this video, so let's dive in. Recently when I went on a trip, and on that trip I made over 120 videos and over 10 gigabytes worth of video, and these are all the videos that you can see on the screen right now. Now if you are making a video and you just have say a handful of video clips, say 5 to 10 or even 20, that isn't such a problem. Now when you have over 100, selecting the clip itself becomes a challenge. Now with the latest edition of Filmora having Smart Search, it allows you to search for things in various manner. One of it is by looking at the character, which means if you are in that video or somebody's in that video, you can click on that video and it will highlight that video that have you there. For example, this is a video that have me, so it identified my face in that video. I'm going to turn it off. Now next, there's also another video, and this is me while I was on my trip, and it identified me again. Now if you have multiple characters, it can identify characters that way. Now if you have over 100 clips and your friends are in say 20 of those, it will be able to select 20 of the clips with your friends in it. Now next, it can also select based on the scene within that video. How amazing it is. So let's just look at, I type in the word river, and you have identified all the clips that potentially looks like a river. Okay, now this doesn't look like a river, but this one does. Okay, and the next, this one as well, a second clip, and this as well. I'm sure by now you get the idea how fast it will save your time. Instead of looking for the video in your folder one by one and then copying it into Filmora, you can dump everything into the folder here and let Smart Search help you to organize those. Let me give you another aspect of the video. So on my trip, we saw an elephant. So let's just go for elephant. Here, Filmora detected the audio where I mentioned there's an elephant, and the text is highlighted over here. So there are three ways Smart Search in Filmora will help you identify your video. So if you have said something in your video and you kind of remember that scene, or maybe being in a certain place, or perhaps you said something or mentioned a certain type of food, you can quickly use this feature to locate the clip that you want to use. So this feature is such a game changer in my opinion. We have AI removal. So you can see this is the original clip where I have an object in front of me, and with AI removal, I have removed this by just a few clicks. In an earlier video, I mentioned that you can do object removal using a software called Adobe Firefly. You haven't watched that video, I'm going to put links in the description. But that method requires me to take a screenshot of the video, export it, upload that frame to Adobe Firefly, remove what I need to remove, and then import it back and create a mask, and there's a bunch of things required. So it is multiple steps. Now with Filmora having this object removal, you can simply get Filmora to remove it, and it is actually quite simple. Select the clip, go to this icon over at the menu here, click on AI Object Removal, mark the object that you want removed, like I've done so, and click on Remove, and it will take some time, and Filmora will track the object whether it moves or not, and in this case it doesn't move, and the object is removed from that clip. Now it takes some time to remove this, so if you have a very long clip, I suggest that you break it to the section where you really need to remove that item. Next, in this update, there's also some new audio features in Filmora. To access those, click on your video clip, go to audio and click on voice changer, and now you can have several other voice changing effects. For example, whether it is a vinyl or phonograph, megaphone or surround sound, whether you're in a church, cave or etc. I hope that this video keep you updated on what's new in Filmora 13.6.4. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you share it with other people. Give it a like and consider subscribing as well, and check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.